Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for baked apples. This is perfect for winter since apples are in season in the fall. There tends to be a lot of them in the winter, so it's a great way to use them up, and it's really nice and warm, and it gives me like a nice wintry feeling. So let's get started.
Only a few ingredients. We need 4 apples, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup or 25 grams of chopped pecans, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of raisins, 1 tablespoon butter, 3/4 cup or 175 milliliters of water. Begin by removing the cores of the apples. Don't peel them, just use a knife and spoon to scoop out the core. Don't cut through the whole apple, leave at least 1/4 inch or half a centimeter of apple at the bottom. Then mix the brown sugar, raisins, nuts, and cinnamon together. Place the apples into a small baking dish. Spoon the sugar mixture into the apples. Place the butter on top. Pour water into the dish. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. These apples are so good. The apple parts taste like applesauce, and the raisins and nuts add some lovely flavor and texture. My kids loved them. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.